Hello, today I'm with Douglas Henderson from ThinkOn, our partners based out of Canada. They're installing some new equipment in their rack here at Datanet. Doug, tell us what's going in today.
So today we have Hitachi on site. They're inserting a storage array, a G350. We're going to connect that to our larger cloud environment with all our computing processing power, and that'll kind of be the storage backbone for our cloud environment here in the UK.
And what services are you going to be providing on this platform?
So the first one is Veeam Cloud Connect, and then we're also looking at providing Office 365 backups, and then we'll be doing multi-tenant hosting using VMware and private hosting, and that's where customers can bring in their own hypervisor model. And then additionally with Hitachi's technology, we'll be offering object storage. So it's very similar to Amazon's S3 protocol, so it's a blob-based storage.
If the customer wants to bring in some edge equipment, such as firewalls or some other equipment that they want to put in the rack next to the live equipment, can you accommodate that?
Yes, we can accommodate that kind of edge equipment. It's what allows us to be very boutique-y or bespoke, depending on what country you're in, where customers can bring in that physical hardware that they need, either because it's a firewall and they have certain security requirements they want met, and we can connect that into their private multi-tenant or backup solution in the cloud. They can also look at bringing in legacy gear.
Tell me, Doug, have the Datanet team been supportive?
Yes, Datanet is a great data center provider. One of the biggest benefits they gave us was easy to get racks, but then having the ability to quickly expand into other racks that are actually close into our environment. So we want to kind of keep everything seamless and everything tight together, so it's easier management. Datanet made that very easy for us to allow us to expand when we need to with pretty much a click of the button.
Doug, thanks very much for your time today. We're really excited about working with you going forward.